Plan termite safeguards into every renovation and landscaping maintenance task so future work does not undo post-construction termite protection. When starting a maintenance project, first confirm whether soil will be disturbed and require pre-treatment at least 72 hours before work begins so baiting and soil treatments remain effective. Maintain a clear zone around the foundation by keeping mulch and vegetation trimmed to a minimum of 3 inches below siding and at least 12 inches away from foundation walls to prevent easy access for termites. Reseal any penetrations through the foundation or termite barrier immediately after work is completed using compatible sealants and flashing to restore the continuous protection layer. Update the property treatment record and mark the location of any drilled holes, new footings, or extended landscape beds so future contractors see what has been done and where the system was modified. Coordinate with the new contractor to confirm their methods match the existing system, and if they need to cut into treated soil, require that they either retreat the disturbed area or schedule a pre-treatment inspection to determine the correct remediation steps. Keep clear, dated photos and a short maintenance log that documents treatments, dates, contractor names, and the specific materials used so you can show continuity of care to anyone working on the site later. Common issues include contractors disturbing treated soil without retreatment, which defeats the original protection. Prevent this by requiring any contractor who digs deeper than 2 inches to notify you and apply a pre-treatment before continuing. Another common problem is vegetative cover and mulch piled against the foundation, which creates a bridge for termites. Resolve this by enforcing a maintenance rule that keeps plant material trimmed back and uses gravel or hardscape edging within the foundation clearance zone. A third frequent concern is missed or unsealed penetrations after installers run new utilities or landscape features. The quick fix is to inspect all penetrations immediately after work and have a qualified technician reseal with approved materials and record the action in the treatment log. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where both homeowners and contractors can ask questions and share experiences about termite-safe maintenance practices. We help contractors find work and help homeowners find professionals while letting the community learn from real-world projects and treatment record sharing.